Today I'm going to be doing a nice easy swipe. To create the cells that you'll see forming during the swipe, I'm adding 1 drop of silicone oil to each of the base paint colors and giving them a quick stir. All the colors that I'm using today are Artist's Loft paints, and I'll mention all the colors and ratios as we go, but you can also find all that info in the description box. With the paints ready, I'm laying down the various base colors, starting with phthalo blue, this is light violet, orange, light magenta, brilliant yellow, emerald green, aqua green, light blue, and rose pink. Each of the base paint colors that I'm using is mixed 4 parts paint to 8 parts Floetrol to 1 part water, plus that 1 drop of silicone oil that you saw me add earlier. For the swipe, I'm using ivory black paint that's mixed 4 parts paint to 8 parts Floetrol to 3 parts water. This paint is a thinner consistency than the paint already on the canvas, and it doesn't contain any silicone oil. I'm using a piece of plastic that I cut out from the plastic that the canvas came packaged in to do the swipe. I like how some of the colors have blended together, and I like how nice and bright they are too. Let me know what you think in the comments. Anyway, thanks for joining me, and I look forward to seeing you again next time.